In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete app from Slack Workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Slack, how to review an app's configuration, and how to fully remove it from your workspace. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct Slack workspace and that you have the right permissions. In most cases, you'll need to be a workspace owner or admin to uninstall apps. Start by opening Slack in your browser or desktop app and head to the workspace where the app is installed. From the left-hand sidebar, look for the Admin area. Click Admin to open your workspace's administrative settings. This is where you manage policies, members, and, for today's task, apps. Inside Admin, select Apps and Workflows. This takes you to your centralized view of installed integrations and automations. You'll see a list of apps that are currently active in your workspace. Find the app you want to remove. In this walkthrough, the example app is Google Calendar, but the process is the same for most apps you'll manage here. Click the app to open its management page. Before uninstalling, it's a good idea to quickly review how the app is set up, in case anything needs to be saved or disabled. Within the apps page, open the section labeled Steps. This shows any workflow steps the app provides for automations built in Slack. Then, switch to App Details to review a summary of what the app does, who installed it, and what scopes or permissions it has. Next, click over to Triggers. This helps you confirm whether the app is tied to any workflow automations that start based on events. Taking a moment to scan these tabs can prevent surprises after removal, especially if your team relies on related workflows. When you're done reviewing, navigate back to the previous page to return to the list of installed apps. Locate the same app in the list and open the three-dot menu next to it. In this menu, you may see options that help you manage visibility and access. One of those options is Add to Recommended Apps. If your team curates a set of suggested tools, you can mark it here before removal so it's easy to find again later if you plan to reinstall in the future. From the same menu, choose View in Slack Marketplace to open the app's listing. This is a useful stop to double-check details like the developer, support information, and any notes about what happens to data after uninstalling. From the Marketplace view or the App Management page, click Uninstall to begin removing the app from your workspace. Slack will present a confirmation flow. You'll typically see a checkbox acknowledging that uninstalling will revoke the app's access and may stop related workflows or notifications. Select the checkbox to confirm you understand the impact. Then click Uninstall to proceed. If you realize you need to pause, for example, to notify your team or capture configuration details, you can click Cancel at this stage to back out without making changes. When you're ready to finish the job, return to the app's page and click Uninstall again, confirm the checkbox, and complete the removal. That's the full process. To recap the key points, access the admin area, open apps and workflows, select the app, review its steps, app details and triggers, return to your app list, use the three-dot menu for any quick actions like adding to recommended apps or viewing the marketplace listing, and then uninstall with the required confirmation. After removal, the app will no longer post to channels, read messages, or trigger workflows in your workspace. If your teammates still need the integration later, they can request it again, and you can reinstall it from the marketplace at any time.